Bafethu isebile sibonile phakathi eviki Orlando Pirates deployed Orlando Stellenbosch Stellenbosch shamsebenzi bathi Orlando Pirates bafethu ayiwalo nama player wa deploy sibone ngoma basi ngicabanga bafethu
Nonda
you know, I like this content. Their Pirates when they release players because they don't want them, and they act as if they care about them. Because the time when they were loaning Saling, they were like, we already found the replacement there. Saling Renalea Police. It was a joy. Mara, if that player doesn't do well on loan, they don't talk.
No, what's the problem is bargain Pirates. I loan.
Either.
Yeah, discipline.
Yeah.
It's a disciplinary camp.
Okay.
If you know you shall come out, now train. I remember. Arian is a box strike. That is why you go over box on. Ulivela lili no salinga go Pirates. Attitude there na lore na na filanga na okay na liwane left wing. So no resolo auto Moremi, even our son left back, everyone is a left back go Pirates.
They are convert.
Deployer.
Okay.
Are loaning.
VK. Kana ke show lona ya udlala ka Sunday.
Fan base.
No.
Yeah, Pirates. What? Ke show ya
Giants or something, yeah.
Giants.
Giants.
On that show, we also how cruel your management was to Saleh.
Yeah.
So you cannot say it's a disciplinary camp when you were cruel to the ball. It's our own. You were cruel to him. Remember, there are games whereby even Lionel Messi or Cristiano Ronaldo cannot be magicians. Based on the video that we saw, he had no options. He had no magic, or he had no idea to change the game.
Attitude.
So he was in that process given a red card and he was chased away. There were teams, for example, Mukwena wanted him to come and play for him. You guys took him to Obi. Is it Obi?
Yes, yeah,
You were trying to degrade him.
And I want to remember Golon Ramopatel. Wanna know one of the rank George Matlo?
No.
From player to grasshopper.
No. When you took him there, you were at the hope of that you won't make it. Just like Mabaso, you didn't loan him. Before you rejected him, there were a lot of negative stuff that he cannot play. He cannot be a box player. Hey, he cannot fit into my system. But now, because of against Sundowns, he came to the party. We deployed him. He's our player. Olisanda, very same thing. He's a reject. He's a injury prone. After age. Now, because he did the stellar performance, he stopped our Reiners to score and everything. We deployed Olisanda. That's not all.
Attitude the very same thing Nigeria Limfano le Masangani. No possibility get by our Kabele Tamina go Chiefs.
Why is Masangani still playing?
What's it why? What's when a little colon in a Udutana, le dira esi fingare, Emwagi bar. When I'm going to share something he say right then. Maranagis away or Scalwan Nakit. So Maba so Maba Damin, Nakopa Umfano. Masanga after Masanga Nyaka Koni, we rectified the mistake Jawela Grando. All us as your attitude Anna. So there's no way we're going bigger than Pirates. I want
Yeah, Mara.
Orlando Pirates, but we also need to remember what it's actually a big institution. If go got a player like Osaling, is going to be advised by his agent to stop coming to training simply because of he's not happy about whether his salaries or whatever, according to the way he started with Orlando Pirates, we should by the time Munabolo Salem was now ready to come to training where they actually supposed to just open their arms as if nothing had actually happened. We do not know what was going to happen if Salem carried on training Orlando Pirates last season. Probably Orlando Pirates would have found themselves proceeding to Pyramids. Who kept Champions League if the guy was there. I'm not saying it was going to happen.
Yeah, but it's possible.
Yes, we needed the boy, and then he acted the way he acted. And then they couldn't expect to go to Bagaboya. things are just gonna be
Just
the same.
welcome them.
Probably Orlando Pirates sending him to Orbit College was to test discipline yakhe. But how is he? How uzoziphatha kanjani? Is he gonna be the player usazoqhubeka attend ama trainings now or not? Unfortunately, the deal Mamelodi Sundowns came
because they were downgrading.
so it's not downgrading.
It's not downgrading. Discipline. Downgrade a player like Mona Polesani.
Yeah, Mara.
Usalin uhambe nge-loan.
Yes.
So
Enaphatela
so
kahle.
okay kuzenza ukuthi iSundowns imthenge ahambe nge-loan.
Simnikile sibanikile.
Mara BK.
So iPirates ithengisele iSundowns iplayer.
Yes.
Yeah, so ke leka go bontsha le no wa mona mfano le ba re ke mang o wa rena o atlela go morao. Mfano ba re ke manal injury. Sesane o mona o dirileng. Ba re o tlile training all under the influence. I get to get happiness or get amstel or something. So
I understand.
It's part of discipline for parents. Even though le ba senya ka gore xa player, mara attitude is one e reflect mo go di player mo go. There's no way or nugget to go one but mona Saleng u dira 1 2 3 and even the agent de Saleng who explain it or no, it is not part of the Tawaya go Pirates.
Yeah.
Understand? Yeah, and I feel like the players of Pirates maybe them support because we have one Kulia by temporary or something. I understand. So this thing Pirates club the whole discipline na son and achieves the Katisha Batiguan.
Yeah, Mara BK.
No, BK, Kaizer Chiefs is a big team. You are a small team, bro. You are a small team. Kaizer Chiefs is a big team. No, maybe performance now, yes, a Pirates, maybe it's higher. It's higher, but
it's the big team Chiefs. Maugugula wonke la team as Africa you number one.
That one it's something that changes every season. Yes.
Okay. You number one.
In terms of what?
You number one.
Ranking.
Angisho nithi big team.
Yeah.
Angisho la eAfrica kune big team, kunama big team angithi. Baqala from 1 bayehle nathi beze bazosinika abo Magezi abo number last abo number 105.
Mara you know
all right, in terms of what?
Penduleni umbuzo
In
yeah,
terms of what?
It is the number.
In terms of what?
ngifuna ukuphendula
Angisho big team.
ngikuphendula ngama fact.
Yeah.
You know lento le it's an African ranking.
Yes.
And African ranking is changed every season due to teams that plays for CAF and CAF Confed.
Yeah.
You know ukuthi manje when I check on the ranking I saw ukuthi Stellenbosch is above Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Reason being Stellenbosch played until when?
Even
Even
Maroon is
even 2 seasons.
Yes.
And also that those stats are wrong. There are two teams who were flagged in 2 different positions.
Yes, I saw Giboni Bubu Vetse and Vetse is not.
Yeah,
Okay.
so those
Kuzomele niyeke ke ukufaka le gama lokuthi njalo manikhuluma nithi Chiefs is the big team.
Mara
Kwaku i big team.
no.
Anamanje.
No.
Angeke nimtshele ngeChiefs. iChiefs wabona namanje ne sinishaye 6 times in a row.
Okay.
Masinishaya kusasa ngoba sonishaya vele. Mara basinishaya kusasa ne. So besinishaya 7 times in a row. Kodwa masinishaya kusasa ngizosilethela lo mlando wakudala ku 1970.
No.
Besingekho.
Remember
Different manje i-performance. It's a performance of the team. That is the difference.
On your performance.
Yes. No. I-Pirates.
Yeah.
Angithi is number 2 manje.
Number one. Orlando Pirates.
Number 1. That's number 2.
All right, okay. Okay.
Arsenal, I can comparison Arsenal.
Le atwana.
No, it's not.
Arsenal number 1.
Manchester City is number 1.
No, what's the point? The Chelsea now Manchester City. Cut what? The same thing. No, Arsenal or Chelsea, Pirates or Chelsea.
History will repeat itself. We've seen this soapy before.
Never seen this.
Bona.
Since kwaba yimi ne ngabo umlandelo webhola lento eyenzeka le England is the first time. iArsenal ina 70 points. Idlale 33 game. Idliwe ka 7, yadraw ka 5. iMan City ina 33 game. Idlale 33 game.
Yalenga.
Ya lose 7 game. Ya draw 5 game. Uyabona ukuthi history le. Yeah, iGoogle zoyibona.
No, ngibonile. No.
All right. He is kune big team lapha.
And a pedigree.
Arsenal.
Arsenal.
Kisithi da.
pressure of being Arsenal being on top while they're there. Just like Sundowns, they're used to having the umbrella.
Do you remember this time Sundowns made over Cherry League?
By this time, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, by this time.
Yes. But we came to the party. We came to the party. We as Kaizer Chiefs, we came to the party. That's why they haven't taken the lead, because we came to the party. We are there, we are challenging. If we were not challenging, they would have taken the lead. So you must praise us.
Why is Chiefs in that challenge?
Scan Derby ne ayijwayelekanga ukuthi idlale ngalezi insuku zokugcina. Phela manje udlala ngensuku zokugcina indaba. Ayijwayelekanga ukuthi idlale ngalezi insuku. Wabona kube kuthiwa iSundowns ayizange iflope. Iwinile lama game lawa yawa draw 5. Kube kuthiwa iwinile iSundowns ne le derby le bengeke abantu ba travel from Cape Town. Yeah, ilisi. From Cape Town basuke Durban. Yeah, bezela abantu bazobuka iDerby bezoba eyethu bala eGoli namatikiti bekazoqeda 2 days asathengiswa. Mara manje ne ngoba iSundowns abazange bayiphela ichance le. Abayiphanga phela ichance manje. Le ukuthi sihlale silwe thina sesilwela into engekho kade hamba ngenyama. Sikakele. Mina le asali ne iPirates neChiefs asizwani.
We are right.
Hayi ukuthi asizwani siyazwana. Inkinga siyatshela sela.
Baso sport.
Kuyothi wani mase sibona uSibisa phakamisa.
Babas.
USibisa phakamisa kuyothi wani. Bazositshela lo mlando wethu thina sesinabo sinathela izithi zinganayo iligi. That's why nithi manje nina nithi sikase league sinayo. Kodwa mase niona le. Sibu.
Not donate. Alpha Massive.
Inside.
I wanted to.
Idlala la umnyaka wakho uvuleka simpulu lo. Way 80.
I wanted to answer Mabaso and BK.
Yes.
Mabaso, you're saying Chiefs is not a big team,
Yes.
as you say.
Yeah.
But why the Soweto Derby, it becomes massive the way it is. It becomes so big. Because of what?
It's fan based.
Yeah.
No, but it's the same.
It's not because of Kaizer Chiefs.
It's not
Kaizer
because
Chiefs is
of
not
Kaizer.
Yeah,
selling
Mara,
Soweto Derby.
remember.
Soweto Derby on its own, it sells itself.
Yeah.
Yes,
It doesn't need Chiefs, it doesn't need Pirates.
Why? Because these two teams are big.
They are big.
Yeah.
Yes,
They are big teams.
To put a point on what Mr. Massive is trying
So
to get.
don't say Chiefs is the big team. You say Chiefs and Pirates
They are
is the
big
big
teams.
team.
No, they are.
When
They
I
are.
say the Chiefs is
No,
the
no,
big team.
They
no.
are.
Parents it's as a
You are
band.
right. You are hiding away from Mr.
Especially
Massive's
master
point.
Yes.
I want
Yabona la kubalandeli. Yabona kubalandeli ne. iChiefs ne yayinabalandeli. Yayinabalandeli abasele. Mina abantu angibazi abasele yini nu4. 1 2 3 4. La abanye angibazi. Ngoba mangithi ngiyacheka na kuma fans wethu ngibona nina. La abanye bapi laba abantu. Angibazi mina abaseka abasayi.
But let's go back to that point.
And weigh the weight of Mr. Massive.
Okay.
We've got a lot of derbies in South Africa.
Yeah.
Yes.
They have
Derby-
never been sold.
Derby, Polokwane.
We've got Polokwane Derby. They'll go to Seshego or
Takes Galaxy Magazine.
but it's small stadiums, but they don't really have sold out.
Just to go to step again, just to fix.
You're trying to hide that.
Yeah.
Just to look about it, there's never been any derbies that you sold out. Remember, before Kaizer Chiefs, there was a Moroka Swallows, which
Yes,
was as
yes.
big as
The original
Original Soweto derby.
Yes. With Kaizer Chiefs, like Soweto actually replaced it. What in the end, it was because of the glory days that Kaizer Chiefs used to have.
Yeah. Oh, it was.
Yeah. I love the fact. I like it. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
you can actually carry on with the point of which just wanted to fix that. You must also
We also had Salos. That's true. That's true. Yeah, they were the one of the original teams. So if we check the weight that Kaizer Chiefs puts
at the moment.
at the moment, That's why we're having sold.
After strike, phela
After strike.
No, before.
No, strike doesn't
I'll tell you about the number of the number that they bring.
kule game benidlala neDurban City nina abalandeli bebalapha ne10,000 bebangafiki bengikhona phakathi
uyominya as usual.
hayi benanga bominya lapha bengiyosupport
Mara teams
10,000 bengekho
No, the reason was
nale game le Jets Galaxy ne 20,000 bengekho sesiyakhuphuka lapha nina lana hamba nayo zama nale ye Peter Mukaba i20,000 bebangekho lana kugcwele khona ile old Peter Mukaba bona lapha isold out
you know why
lapha befika drawing
you know why
because we win 4 game then win
And after strike, phela lama game ba win after strike.
no let's verify it
Let's
this one.
congratulate Autela Leo
Uzoba rich lo
Yes, let's clarify that one. The reason why the numbers were low, you know that we always feel FNB, but it's like we were not happy and we were on a go slow.
At least
We were trying to let the management
you're
to
being honest.
understand our
Yes.
frustrations. There's no way that there can be 5,000 people at FNB. You know, deep down, you know that it's a fact. So for the management to try to understand our frustrations as supporters, we decided to be on a go slow. That's why even the strike that we're talking about, it was initiated. And by the way, congrats to the people who organized that match.
Yeah,
because as we talk about improvement and consistency, we have improved. We played 6 games without a loss. It means coming to you tomorrow.
Yeah, 6
Yeah,
without
6
a
games.
yeah it's 6
Yeah, 6
We are very dangerous.
Scalum.
We are very dangerous coming to tomorrow's game. Based on what we are improving and that numbers. The management listened. We have a shadow, a team, a tactical manager there that maybe you don't know about, who's helping us to be where we are right now. So far so
the management
it's making-
no confused no.
No. We are
Because
pushing nice.
management or narnya league.
BK,
Le narnya number 2.
BK. Chiefs, if I perform sharp, ne? Balateli ba yona abai stadium.
Our
Ba theo.
Le Pirates.
Alice,
No, we are telling you.
They are ne. Ushabe kausane. Kausane Reja Pirates. Reja Pirates.
No.
Listen here.
No,
Emanya.
Squad Roger
Akibuka maybe. Ke Reja Pirates kausane. Ka laboraro.
With
Ria Free State. Ubona Chiefs le
Sweden.
Ushabe ki sold out ticket because of agree Reja Pirates. The moment Reja Pirates ne o tla bona balatedi ka ofela ba Kaizer Chiefs. Ushabe Rio Kaza Stadiums kwa ka labra.
No, but la khutlela pointing ela Scalo ne. How o ka home game and fan base. Do you know Kaizer Chiefs fans are being motivated by Orlando Pirates? What Orlando Pirates fans are doing at Orlando Amstel Arena?
yes
Orlando Amstel Arena. Defense Pirates.
Yeah.
Our home games, we played more sold out this season more than Chiefs. Chiefs in their home ground. There's never played a sold out game without playing Pirates or Sundowns.
Correct, because we want to go slow.
No,
That's
I understand. On the go slow right now. Over the years, Orlando Pirates has been doing that in Orlando. We've been filling up
since
Orlando.
2022
How many capacity?
No, yeah, no capacity.
Okay,
It's a home ground, Aruna, ne?
Yes.
Our capacity is like 40,000 capacity.
We talk compared to 94,000.
Yes.
And
When I go to FNB,
We'll randomly
when I
put
go to
50, 60
FNB,
there.
it doesn't even get to 20,000 capacity. When Chiefs play home
Okay,
games.
why?
Yes.
Why?
Even if you're playing Stellenbosch, even if you're playing Cape Town City when it was still in a league, whenever even Amazul, any game that we're playing there, you have never been more than 15,000 to 20,000.
Yeah.
Matter of
I understand the capacity.
This season or when?
Point.
This season and last season, the past 3 seasons.
No, this season I can take. This season I can take because
it's not
we
the
want
past
to go
2
slow.
seasons the past 10 years
Nah, never.
past 10 yeah I can
Guys,
the past 10 years
Never.
the
only time
Never.
the only time Chiefs it at our stadium kere you win affair.
Yes.
We've been saying
Performance.
that we
Yes.
want to go slow because of our performance. We're not talking me.
Nina niqala ukuwina nini?
5 games.
Asithi
man.
nina niqala ukuwina manje.
From 10 years.
Yeah, 10 years lana gcwalisa khona ilama double 2 yakulandela. Hey, nigcwalise kuyiphi game?
Even when Swallows was in existence,
Yiphi game?
we sigcwalisile. There was a game. When we launched the jersey that was stolen to us by Barcelona.
Yes.
It was played during the week. It was a sold out. I was in attendance of that game.
Kune game
It
enagcwalisa.
was Morocco Swallows, the fallen Soweto Giants. We were playing with them. It was Wednesday. I was there in FNB.
FNB.
It was a sold
Sold
out
out
affair.
FNB. The Maroka Swallows.
We can Google.
Asingayigugula ngiyazi le game.
No, my brother, Google
Buffett,
them.
the problem is
What
that
jersey were we launching?
The black one. The black one.
The black one, yeah. It
For
was
birthday.
it was the birthday.
yes.
50th.
50th. Check the on our 50th.
I was there as well.
Yeah, I bought that jersey. I bought that jersey on the stadium on that day because of the attendance.
It was a sold out because it
Yes, my brother.
Namathithi bekathengiswa or abengena mahala ngokuthi ku birthday.
No, I bought from Pretoria with my ticket. There's no way Chiefs can. It's not Sundowns, Kaizer Chiefs. It's a big brand. We sell tickets.
No, there was a discount with our tickets. I actually remember.
Never.
I do.
Kaizer Chiefs, never.
Chief doesn't play like that.
my man, I want to show you something.
Alright, nane uyakanna guys ne.
Yeah.
Kaizer
to
Chiefs,
remind Carlo
Kaizer
of
Chiefs
something.
ina lead supporter.
Yeah.
Ne? But if I iba palisha up, ne, utobona gore Arsenal supporter. Because 10 years Chiefs it was struggling. Yes, I agree.
Yeah.
10 years.
10 years.
Nama supporter.
Chiefs be sabapalisha up like itomilo bapalisha up. Right now in five game.
Nedbank.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah, 5 feet away.
Mabasa, can I just ask this one question? So we'll step up first. Why is it that the Orlando Pirates during the Jose Rivero time, there would come a time whereby league is Opela, maybe let's say Sundowns is selling 7 games, right? But the Orlando Pirates fans, they would come to the stadium, know very well, we would see
League is gone.
We've got
League is
nothing to
gone,
play
man.
this
Yes.
season.
Yeah, let me
League is
say.
gone.
We are used to winning. Fano would take
Winning.
we are used to eating nice and then out of the blue and it's
Winning what?
Win what, though?
Winning the games. Winning the games.
But there must be
No, Kaizer Chiefs is known for winning and dominating.
Alright, if
Carlo,
Pirates,
Carlo, are you referring in history,
let me
historical? ne?
give you
Yes.
10 years
Let me
ago.
give you answer.
10 years ago.
Yeah, that
Because
in that 10 years
the last
ago-
10 years, you won 1 cup.
Yeah.
in that
Yeah,
bank.
in
When
the-
when the last time did you
Nakhona
won the league?
sibaphila
And you
bawina.
only
The league that you've been chasing for 10 years.
No, it's over 10.
Yeah, it's 14 years, I think.
That's what I'm
Yeah.
bread.
They are over.
Yes.
Who were better?
You were better because you
That
only
is
like
10 years.
2015. Yeah.
Yes.
You were 10 years then.
When
we
we
are
were
older than
14.
that.
Yes.
We
So
are-
according to the history and the stats,
Hence,
we are
doing
still
bad.
there.
hence,
It's so
hence
good,
my,
guys.
oh,
Yes.
my point wasn't in.
How many
in
years
10
have you not won the league?
Hayi aseke
How many
ndabeni.
years? 14, I think.
Wena una how many
14.
years?
I've got 10 years.
10 years.
10 years.
Yes, I'm better than you.
Better than you. In terms of stats.
Ngicela ukubuza.
Okay,
iChiefs ayigcinanga ukuwina league ngo-2015.
Yes.
Yes.
When are we winning it?
20 bani?
2026.
When are we winning it?
7 years.
No, it's 10.
When are the last time?
Yeah,
It's
it's
gonna
still,
be
it's the
11
same.
now. I
saw
the next season, that's when we'll be 11.
Yes.
According to statistics.
Okay, ngicela
Scalo,
ukubuza.
you remember my point, honey, compare the fan base.
Yes.
I spoke about 3 years. I don't want to talk historical because even historical, even the derby,
yeah.
it will take more than 3 weeks to sold out a derby. Back then, you know, yeah, it was struggling. It was difficult to fill up FNB.
Yeah.
So historical, even if you remember last game, Sundowns Chiefs FNB, it was a sold out because the number of tickets was not 90,000 tickets. It was 60,000 then because the fans were buying more tickets. They added
I remember
but
that.
it was
They
not
extended
90,000.
it.
So now it comes to that factor. FNB is too big for Kaizer Chiefs. Even though you guys are saying you're having a big fan
Yes.
base. No matter you playing Sundowns or any other team beside Pirates,
Sundowns
you
don't have
cannot-
fans.
Yeah, that's what I understand. That's what I'm saying. You
It's not
cannot
big.
feel FNB on your own, even if Lagoto or any team
Sundowns, Sundowns to be
yeah,
precise.
Sundowns to be precise. But in order to feel FNB, you need what? Orlando
We can
Pirates.
fill up.
No, wait.
We can fill up.
Wait.
If Kaizer Chiefs is
Then
playing
when did it, when? It's
I
even
can't-
let me
for
answer
the
you.
past 10 years, Kaizer Chiefs has never played
You
that.
Let me answer you. Let me answer you. You know the problem is when you compare, for example, this thing with a jar. This one with a jar. Reason being,
Yeah.
you are comparing FNB le arena ya lena ya 15,000.
I'm not comparing.
No, you know, Emanyana, you know why get Gyalena? Why get Gyalena? Because we're not gonna play in that one. Gyalena.
But
I'm coming to that.
I've played 20
You
years.
did that
28 years ago, one of 28 years ago.
Until 20 years ago.
Bona.
I know
I
10
want to
years.
correct you.
Yes, but
Badalile wona.
When was that?
Wafuna ngikhumbuza. Mana ngikhumbuza iCovid beyini.
It was COVID time, but
But since I know one-
when Chiefs lost the league, they
we were not
also-
allowed to go to the stadium. We were not allowed.
It's fine. Okay, no, I want to correct Masivo when it comes to this. My point is coming to that thing now. Leonardo, the Chiefs, Kaizer Chiefs fans base is big.
Yes, it's
I want to come
It's
to there
not
like
big.
your home games you cannot.
Yeah,
fill.
no.
All other remember FNP is the biggest stadium in South Africa. Ne?
Yeah.
When you go to Peter Mugabe and play in Peter Mugabe, your home game against Polokwane or any team, do you fill that stadium in full capacity?
No.
Peter Mugabe.
But we did.
During the
week.
Even now we're against Polokwane, that thing was sold out.
I'm talking about
Some people have to stand on top of the trees because we took all the seats there.
yeah, my brother, right now, I win for one day.
My case.
In my case, yes.
Now.
They were men.
Yeah, they were
As
men,
we
but
play the
because
draw.
of the rain,
all
that's why we had to go
Yeah,
down.
the old
But
Peter
you want
Mugabe.
to tell me if
We're
we play
talking
this
with
and
Peter
when
Mugabe.
about
Yes.
fans?
The new Peter Mugabe.
Yes. No, let me raise this fact.
Yeah, it's massive.
Let me raise this fact. You can't compare midweek games and weekend games. Midweek, kids are going to school. When I'm saying kids, I'm not talking about primary school kids
Yeah.
and high school. I'm talking about the ones in tertiary because they love to attend football. For example, you are working 9 to 5. After 5, we having traffic.
Okay.
Game is like after 7. That's why this season,
Pendul.
before Pendul,
Yeah.
that's why this season,
For a chance.
Kaizer Chiefs is the only team this season. I think it postponed 4 to 5 matches, moving from 7:30 to 8 o'clock because they were trying to accommodate
People
people who are coming in.
But can I ask you this
You
question?
understand?
Can I ask you this question? Yes.
That's why I'm saying don't compare midweek and weekend.
Yiphi le game uyishoyo ba?
Ngikhuluma ngama-game midweek.
Yeah.
Majority of them they were midweek.
I only know Sundowns
Midweek.
games. I only know Sundowns.
No,
games
even
that
Chiefs
were-
game they were the ones that they were postponed. The one in PE. The one in PE.
Lee Cape Town.
Yabona
Yes, in Cape Town.
yabona kule season nina.
Okay, not here in
Yabona
FNB.
yabona kule
My point was
in FNB, it was the game at Sundowns.
Yes.
They moved it from
now-
5:30
my
to
point
8
is
o'clock.
yabona kule
Remember.
kule season ne lana shaya khona sold out indawo e1 skipper amadabi nale game eSundowns siyakhipha
Yes.
le bedlala ebusuku skipper igame eSundowns skipper idabi siyawakhipha lawo yeah le dabi le idlale last le
Yes.
siyayikhipha skipper na le Sundowns kuyi1 lana shaya khona sold out ngidlala ngazi bendlala nezamaleko iBlack
Dobsonville.
yeah iplay team lebendlala na Alimas
Some,
yeah nashaya isold out eDobsonville kuphela that's why iChiefs ne mana ngeke ngikhuluma iChiefs ne iyayithanda iFNB kodwa iFNB anisakwazi kuyifila lapha iChiefs bekumele ngaba
That's my
mana
point.
ngeke ngikhulume ngeke iChiefs bekumele iyodlalela eDobsonville idonse yes idonse bonke labantu baseDobsonville izogcina ibuye eFNB
Guys.
because FNB kwinda ne mamela man ayikho small for right now ne wabona manje ne iChiefs laba abantu abaya lapha estadium ababonakala njalo siyababona masingayanga yilaba lapha emva kwepala banenkana bayindawo laba bayeke la kunale ntshebele yabo mara la emasayitini akunamuntu ku-M kuqala ku-M lapha ehlubula yikho ekusele kuphethwe yila kuphethe iChiefs manje ehlubula mangakwata labantu basehlubula bahamba ngiyakutshela
Amafeni adetail.
Is the thing living ikhuluma? Is the thing
Improvements.
Yeah, remember. Is the thing living ikhuluma ngithi? You comparing two different things. FNB, yes, I agree it's big. But why when you're taking games to Dobsonville it's a fill up? When you're taking games to Old Peter Mugabe it's fill up. It does not saying people they don't attend ama game with Chiefs. They do attend. As I'm saying, in Peter Mugabe my case, the reason why you didn't see people was because it was raining. People were up there, running away from the rain.
There's only one cover in Peter Mugabe, it's one side. The other side is no cover.
No, I'm talking about the other side because there were people on Mogara Stadium.
Yeah.
When I move to Bayema, There were people about Balikwa. Now was there. You understand? Moving forward again. Game here, Uring Wise, when you reach the game with Dobsonville. Dobsonville is becoming a sold out. No, even FNB is 94,000. You cannot expect it to be full all the time.
Without Pirates.
But okay.
Pirates is not a guy.
No, it's about us being the whole team.
No.
If Kaizer Chiefs, they now the fan base and it's in
Inayo. We don't say
We
don't see it in FNB.
attendance at the stadium.
Okay.
I believe it's level 1. FNB.
You can feel it. You're supposed to feel that part.
Level 1.
No, it's true.
That's why
It's never been filled up. When was the last time it was filled up?
namanje ngiyanitshela mina
When
ngithi
was the last time
mangaba
it was
kuzohamba laba bazoqosha laba lapha emva kwepali ayiphelile ngiyakutshela usenikhuphula kubula
uselebona boba 1 2 3 4
something.
wosala bona bo
Dabi, okay. Re bolela hore ka last game. Go le no re le wine ba ke 3-0 3-1.
awusazi manje awusazi manje
Re no hore re draw for 1 for 0-0 is fine. But hore re bolela hore ka Dabi no. Dabi hore I no mang o win le ka o ka o win ning. Mara ya khona ene ka sona big I promise you. Chiefs. You win.
Straightforward. Straightforward.
uyasibona lesikhe
You win a Chiefs.
uyasibona lesikhe hayi lesakha siloki kusasa ne
And,
masishaya
ikhupula
ichiefs
crew.
siyaloka league ya siyoyilahla le
Ke re ikubla crew. Ke o bolela ka ikubla crew. Yo ka pe green. Lion.
Guys,
Can you be realistic, Buffett? This thing of when it comes to Soweto Derby, because of form and just as of late, that thing hasn't been counting. Can you please be honest? As of late has been determined by the quality of the players. Let's be honest.
Not no. I want to add something on what you're saying. A little bit to oppose it. I was telling someone who gave me a Pirates Amazulu. I even said to that person, I want Pirates to win this game. You know why? Always when Pirates loses games before Derby, it becomes tough for you.
Yeah.
Because in the Kwati, I can get Pirates Kwati. Yeah. One of the same. Yeah. Tomorrow is gonna be a
Imali.